Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about performance optimization. Performance optimization is crucial in software development to enhance the speed and efficiency of programs. This process centers on locating and removing bottlenecks, minimizing resource consumption, and ultimately boosting the program's overall performance. For instance, optimizing the loading time of a website by compressing images and reducing unnecessary scripts can significantly improve user experience. In essence, performance optimization aims to streamline operations and enhance the efficiency of software systems. Efficient algorithms and data structures are crucial for optimizing performance in software development. By utilizing algorithms with lower time complexity and data structures that efficiently store and retrieve data, overall processing time can be greatly reduced. Additionally, minimizing memory usage ensures better resource management and prevents performance bottlenecks. Caching frequently used data helps in speeding up access to commonly accessed information, reducing the need to repeatedly fetch it from slower secondary storage like a database. This can notably enhance the responsiveness of an application, especially when dealing with large datasets. Parallelizing tasks allows the computation to be spread across multiple processor cores, enabling faster execution of tasks that can be broken down into independent subtasks. This approach is commonly used in scenarios such as image processing, video rendering, and scientific computing, where multiple computations can be executed simultaneously to expedite the overall processing time. The original code iterates through numbers from 0 to 99999, calculating the square root of each number, but only storing the result of the final iteration. This can be optimized using list comprehension in Python by creating a list results that stores the square root of each number in the range from 0 to 99999. This ensures that all square roots are computed and stored efficiently in a single operation. By doing so, the list comprehension method enhances the performance and readability of the code. To improve the performance of a slow-loading web application, fetching data from a database indexing is a recommended optimization technique. By creating an index on specific columns in a table, the database management system can efficiently locate and retrieve data without scanning the entire table. For example, in a scenario where an e-commerce website experiences delays in loading products from a database table products, you can apply indexing on columns like category or price. This would enable the database to quickly search and retrieve product data based on these indexed columns. To create an index in Python, you can use the following code. Create index IDX name on table name column name. In the above code snippet, replace IDX name with the desired name for the index and table name with the table name where indexing is needed. Additionally, specify the column name on which the index should be created to facilitate faster data retrieval for the web application. Just like a car engine needs regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance, a computer program also requires tuning and optimization to run efficiently. If a car's engine is not properly maintained, it may consume more fuel and perform poorly. Similarly, a poorly optimized program may consume more memory and run slower. By fine-tuning the car's engine and replacing worn-out parts, its performance can be improved. Similarly, by optimizing the code and fixing any inefficiencies, a program's performance can be enhanced. Ultimately, both the car and the program will operate more smoothly and efficiently, providing a better user experience. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code above consists of two classes, car and computer program, which represent a car and a computer program respectively. The car class has attributes for the car's make, model, and engine status. It also has methods for maintenance, detecting poor performance, and checking fuel levels. The maintenance method sets the engine status to optimal after maintenance. Poor performance method sets the engine status to poor if performance is lacking, and refill fuel method checks if the car needs maintenance based on engine status and fuel level. The computer program class has attributes for the program's name and optimization status. It also has methods for optimization, checking memory consumption, and detecting slow performance. The optimize method sets the optimization status to optimized after optimization. Memory consumption method checks if the program is running efficiently based on optimization status, and run slow method checks if the program is running slow based on optimization status. In the code output, an instance of the car class is created, and methods for checking poor performance, maintenance, and refilling fuel are called. Similarly, an instance of the computer program class is created, and methods for checking memory consumption, slow performance, optimizing, and rechecking memory consumption and performance are called. This code implementation demonstrates how performance optimization techniques can be applied to both a car's engine and a computer program to ensure efficient operation and avoid performance issues. Performance optimization plays a crucial role in various industries and real-world applications. Here are two examples. 1. Industrial machinery maintenance. In manufacturing industries, performance optimization is vital for maintaining the efficiency and functionality of industrial machinery. Just like the example of the car class provided, regular maintenance and tuning of engines in heavy-duty machines such as turbines, compressors, or conveyor systems are essential to prevent breakdowns and ensure optimal performance. By monitoring performance indicators and conducting timely maintenance, companies can minimize downtime, reduce operational costs, and extend the lifespan of their equipment. 2. Web application development. In the realm of technology, optimizing the performance of computer programs and web applications is critical for delivering a seamless user experience. As demonstrated in the computer program class example, optimizing programs to run efficiently and consume less memory is crucial for ensuring swift response times and preventing sluggish performance. In the case of web applications, optimizing code, reducing database queries, and caching resources are common strategies employed to enhance performance and improve the overall user experience. Across the globe, industries are continually seeking ways to optimize performance in various domains to enhance productivity, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Through proactive maintenance and strategic optimization, organizations can stay ahead of the curve and drive success in their respective fields. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.